As you can see, I'm a small fan of Oh My Girl. From the hat, I have an Oh My Girl hat. Say no more. Hi, it's Matt. During the pandemic, I've eaten a lot of takeout, but because I don't have many friends to eat with, and I'm generally scared of people, I've accumulated a large surplus of these disposable chopsticks. And because I use this quality set of Oh My Girl branded spoon and chopsticks. Anyways, at first I was gonna throw out these chopsticks, but I think I could make something pretty cool with them. So today I'll be challenging myself to make Oh My Girl Arin out of chopsticks. Here's the plan. I'll take the chopsticks, grind them up to sawdust, and mix it with some wood glue to create a putty that we can mash into a 3D printed mold and generate an impression. So the first step will be generating a 3D model to print that will serve as the mold. There's a free web program called Image to Lithophane, and all you do is put in an image and it spits out a STL file. So here we go, not Kpop, Oh My Girl, Arin, photos. Lots of photos to choose from. And bam, now we have a 3D model and ready to send that to the printer. While the printer's working away, I'll shred these chopsticks to wood shavings. The best way I thought of doing this was using a pencil sharpener. I was not a great student in school, so this was not used often. And also, mechanical pencils are better.
Wow, this looks dangerous.
The pencil sharpener overheated. Next is creating the mold. The printer printed the model in 4 parts, so I'll glue it all together on a wood base that can hold the putty we make. The final step is to mix the chopstick sawdust with wood glue and mash it into our mold. It's pretty nasty. And all that's left to do is for it to dry for a couple days and hopefully we'll have a good image. It didn't work super well. Not too sure why, but probably because wood glue isn't designed to do this. I think I'll do it again, but instead of using wood glue, I'll use wood filler, which is a bit thicker. Finishing touches, I decided to replace some of the background with chopsticks, so it looks sort of like a contemporary home wall with wood slats. And it is time for the grand reveal. Oh, the drum roll. Studio audience. It's Oh My Girl Arin, made out of chopsticks. It was pretty fun to build. Took a lot of patience, but that's a very good quarantine activity because we have a lot of time at home. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to comment below on your favorite part, and also hit that like button and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you can always stay up to date on the latest uploads on this channel. Anyways, that is all. Peace. Stand Oh My Girl. Listen to Nonstop, Dolphin, whatever else is streaming, their new comeback maybe, whatever that comes out. And yeah, bye! Oh, I'm too old for this. I'm not flexible. I have back pain.